What is the plot of Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist Miniseries? Get ready to uncover a thrilling story filled with crime, boxing, and high stakes that will keep you hooked episode after episode. Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist centers on a talented but struggling boxer named Marcus. Facing mounting debts and the pressure to provide for his family, Marcus is desperate for a way out. When an opportunity arises to participate in a million-dollar heist, he must decide if the risk is worth the reward. The series sets the stage by blending the gritty world of underground boxing with a suspenseful crime thriller. Marcus doesn't go it alone. He assembles a team of skilled but flawed individuals, each bringing unique talents to the heist. The plan involves precision, timing, and trust, all of which are in short supply. The tension rises as the team prepares to execute their dangerous plan while avoiding law enforcement and rival criminals. As Marcus juggles the heist and his boxing matches, the stakes become even higher. His personal relationships strain under the pressure, and every fight in the ring mirrors the chaos of the heist. The series explores themes of loyalty, betrayal, and redemption, making you question who can be trusted when millions are on the line. Just when you think you know where the story is headed, unexpected twists shake everything up. Double crosses and shocking revelations keep viewers on edge, showing that in this world, nothing is certain and everyone has a hidden agenda. The suspense builds to a thrilling climax that leaves a lasting impression. Fight Night, the Million Dollar Heist is a gripping miniseries that combines the raw intensity of boxing with the nail-biting suspense of a high-stakes robbery. If you love stories full of action, emotional depth, and unexpected surprises, this one's for you. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.